Good morning, students. We are discussing the chapter Power Sharing of Political Science. In this chapter, we have already discussed some important facts in the previous two videos. In this regard, we knew the ethnic compositions of Sri Lanka and Belgium. During the discussion, we came to know that there were two important ethnic groups in these two countries, Belgium and Sri Lanka. In Belgium, the Dutch-speaking community and the French-speaking community. In Sri Lanka, the Sinhala-speaking community and the Tamil-speaking community. And there was diversity in the ethnic composition of societies in these two countries. We also learned in the previous video that since the Sri Lankan government adopted some majoritarian methods, it took some such steps that increased tension between the two communities, the Tamils and the Sinhalas. And ultimately, it led to a great violent civil war that lasted for a number of years in Sri Lanka. Still in Sri Lanka, there is social tension there. Today we will learn the case of Belgium. In Belgium, the leaders of the country worked out such a model, such measures, those were successful in bringing about some positive changes in the country. In the beginning, we have already learned that there were tensions between the Dutch-speaking community and the French-speaking community during the 1950s and 1960s. But later on, the leaders of the Belgium worked out a very different kind of a system in their country. First of all, equal number of seats were given to the Dutch-speaking and the French-speaking ministers in the central government. In this way, a central government has equal representation of the two linguistic communities. So, this was very successful in Belgium. Second, federal form of government was more preferred there. There were two important regions we already learned, Flemish region and the Wallonia region. So, most of the powers were diverted to the state governments. A few subjects of national interests were kept under the central government, and most of the powers were given to the state governments. So, third, in Brussels, the capital of Belgium, equal representation was given to the both linguistic communities, i.e. the Dutch and the French communities. And Belgium developed a new and a unique kind of system model that is called Belgium model, that a new government was introduced in the constitution, that was community government. And this was elected. The community government was elected by a single linguistic community. In other words, we can say that the French elected their own community government and the Dutch elected their own community government. And the community government was entrusted with the task of making laws, regulations, rules regarding culture and language. In this way, we see that the leaders of the Belgium worked out such a system, such a model that was very successful in the country. In the central government, the ministers of the Dutch speaking and the French speaking were given equal representation. No single majority decision was taken. Second, federal system was adopted and more power was given to the state governments. The state governments were not subordinate to the central government. They were almost independent, not independent, but they were fully interested to take decisions in the affairs of the state. Third, the capital of Bruges, and in the Brussels, equal representation for both the linguistic communities was allotted. And the third, that was a unique system, unique method, unique model that was developed was the formation of community government. In this way, we see that on contrary to Sri Lanka, in Sri Lanka, the Sri Lankan government adopted majoritarian measures, and it ignored the interests and aspirations of the Tamils, and there was distrust between the two communities that ultimately led to clashes and civil war. On the other hand, we saw that there was a sense of accommodation of interest among the leaders of the Belgium, and Belgium was successful. It succeeded in maintaining political unity, political adjustment, and national integrity. Thanks. Okay.